Hi everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we'll learn all about descriptive words, also known as adjectives. These are words that help us describe people, places, things, or ideas. So let's dive in. Section 1. What are adjectives? So, what exactly are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe or give more information about a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. And adjectives tell us more about these nouns. Example: the dog is big. Dog is the noun. Big is the adjective describing the dog. Let's look at a few common adjectives we often use to describe things. Section 2. Common adjectives. Here are some common adjectives you can use to describe people, places, and things. Big, small, beautiful, tall, happy, sad. These are just a few examples. You can also have adjectives like fast, slow, friendly, interesting, and many more. Section 3. Sentence structure with adjectives. Now, let's learn how to use adjectives in sentences. A simple sentence structure looks like this. The noun is adjective. Let's break this down. The dog is big. The house is beautiful. In these examples, we have a noun, dog, house, and an adjective, big, beautiful. The adjective tells us more about the noun. Section 4. Describing people. Next, let's practice describing people. We can say things like, she is tall and friendly. He is happy and smart. They are kind and funny. Let's look at some more examples. She is beautiful and intelligent. He is strong and brave. What about you? How would you describe your friend? Let's pause for a moment. Write down a sentence about your friend using adjectives. Section 5. Describing things, objects. Now, let's move on to describing things. For example, we can describe objects like books, chairs, or cars. The book is interesting. The cake is delicious. The pen is blue. Here are some more examples. The dog is small and cute. The car is fast and red. What object can you describe? Take a moment to think and write a sentence with an adjective to describe something near you. Section 6. Using adjectives together. Sometimes we use more than one adjective to describe something. In English, we can put 2 or 3 adjectives together, but there's a special order. Size, age, color, noun. For example, a big old green car. A small new blue bag. Now, it's your turn. Let's go over some practice examples. Look at the sentences and try to fill in the blanks with the right adjectives. First one. The cat is friendly. The Cat is friendly. The small cat is friendly. Second one, the car is fast. The car is fast. The blue car is fast. Third one, she is and. She is and. She is cute and innocent. Well done! You're doing great. Keep practicing and try to describe things around you in English. It will help you get better at using adjectives. That's all for today's lesson on adjectives. We've learned how to describe people, things, and places using adjectives. Remember, adjectives make your English more colorful and fun. Keep practicing every day to get better at using descriptive words. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time for more fun English lessons.